Now we have already studied that standard form of a quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now we'll study how to find their solutions. A real number alpha is called a root of the quadratic equation if alpha satisfies this equation, that is, instead of putting x we put alpha instead of x, so a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equals to 0. So x is equals to alpha will be the 0 or the root of this quadratic equation. So if we have to solve by factorization method, how we'll do? We have already studied factorization in the last year. So 2x square minus 5x plus 3. So by this equation our product should be 2 into 3 which is equals to 6 and our sum should be minus 5. So we'll factorize 6 in order to see that the two numbers give their product as 6 and the sum as minus 5. So now we'll see the factors of 6. 6 into 1, but this is plus 6 and this is minus 6, so both the signs should be same. This cannot be the case. So now 2 into 3. Now see, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6 plus, and minus 2 plus minus 3 is minus 5. So we'll put our factors as minus 2 and minus 3. So open the brackets and now factorize. If we take 2x common here and minus 3x common, so it becomes 2x minus 3 and x minus 1 is equals to 0. Since product of two numbers is 0, therefore this implies 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. This means x is equals to 3 by 2 and x is equals to 1. These are two other roots of this quadratic equation. Now similarly 6x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore product is minus 12 and sum is minus 1. Now see the factors of minus 12. 2 into 6, here minus 2 into 6 or 2 into minus 6, but their sum is not 1. Next 4 into 3, yeah, their sum can be minus 1 if the sign is minus 4 and 3. So here always plus sign is there, minus 4 plus 3x minus 2. Here minus is according to the question, but we'll always put this plus sign. So now open the brackets, 2x common, so 3x minus 2 plus 1 3x minus 2. So this becomes 2x plus 1 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Either this can be 0 or this can be 0. So 2x plus 1 is 0 and 3x minus 2 is 0. Therefore x becomes 2 by 3 and x becomes minus half. Now 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2. Here product is 6 and sum is minus 2 root 6. Now we have studied root 6 into root 6 is equals to 6, and if we put minus sign over here then it becomes 6 only and the sum become minus 2 root 6. So 3x square plus minus root 6 minus root 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now open the brackets, see x plus 2. So what we'll do is we have to take 3 common, 3x. So it will become root 6 can be written as root 2 into 3. So if we take root 3 common, so it will become root 2x minus root 3x minus root 2. And here if we take root 2 common, it will become root 3x minus root 2. So this becomes root 3x minus root 2. Root 3x minus root 2 is equals to 0. Therefore x becomes root 2 upon root 3. Understood? Because they are the same roots. So therefore both the roots are root 2 upon root 3. Now starting with exercise 4.2, we have to find the roots by factorization. Similarly, here product is minus 10 and sum is minus 3. So we'll take the factors as minus 5 plus 2x minus 10 is equals to 0, x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is 0. Factorize this. It becomes x plus 2, x minus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 5 and minus 2. These two are the roots of this quadratic equation. 2x square plus x minus 6. Here, product is minus 12 and sum is plus 1. So, 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equals to 0. 4 into 3 is 12 and 4 minus 3 is plus 1. Taking 2x common, x plus 2 minus 3 x plus 2. Don't forget to change the sign if you are taking minus common, because minus into plus is minus. So if you are taking minus common, plus will remain inside. These are some short tips you have to keep in mind. So x is equals to 3 by 2 and minus 2. Third, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. So product is 5 into 2 is 10 and sum is 7. So 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is 0. Root 2x common, it becomes x plus root 2, and here 5 common, it becomes root 2x plus 5, x plus root 2 is 0. Therefore our factors become minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2. Here minus root 2 and here minus 5 by root 2. Next, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equals to 0. So product becomes 2 into 1 by 8, which is 1 by 4, and sum becomes minus 1. So see, minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 and their sum is minus 1. So the factors become minus x by 2 minus x by 2 plus 1 by 8 is equals to 0. Now I'll rewrite the statement. By 2 plus 1 by 8 is equals to 0. So what I'll do is I'll take common. So if I take x common, it becomes 2x minus 1 by 2 minus, here I'll take 1 by 4 common, so it will become 2x minus 1 by 2, because I have to make these two same. So x minus 1 by 4, 2x minus half is equals to 0. Therefore factors will become half and 1 by 4, and here also 1 by 2 will go there. I'll show you. 2x minus half is 0, so 2x is equals to half, therefore x becomes 1 by 4. So both roots are same, which are equals to 1 by 4. Now 100x square minus 20x plus 1. See, now product is 100 and sum is minus 20. So it can be minus 10x minus 10x. Both roots will be same. So 10x common, 10x minus 1 minus 1 common. So 10x minus 1. So 10x minus 1, 10x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore both the roots are equals to 1 by 10. Now solve the problems in example 1. See, there were some equations. We have turned it into a mathematical form. So first part was x square minus 45x plus 324. How we did, you please refer my first part the video. X square minus 45x plus 324 is 0. So product is 324. Now these complex calculations, how we'll solve them? See, you write all the factors and then evaluate which one will fit in the question. So 2 into 162, this will not be valid. 3 into 108, this will also not be valid. 4 8 is 32, 81. It will not be divisible by 5. Check by 6. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So it was not divisible, it is divisible by 6. So 6 into 6 5 is 30, 54. See, this is not also valid. Now check by 7. 7 4 are 28, 40. No. 8. No. 9. 9 3s are 27. 27, 9, 6 are 54. Now see, this is valid for the question. So minus 9x minus 36x plus 324 is 0. So x common, and here minus 36 common. So it becomes x minus 36, x minus 9 is 0, therefore x value is 9 and 36. Second equation that we solved was x square minus 55x plus 750. Now apply the same method, find all the factors, then apply which one was valid. 2 into 375, 3 into 250, 4 no, 5, 150, then 6, 6 ones are 6, 6, 8. Now try by 8. 8 9 is 72, no, 9, no, 10 into 75, 11, no, 12 into 750, 12, 12 5s are 12, 6 are 72, 30, no, 15, 15 and 50, no, 17, 18, 18, no. Now try for 16, no, 17, 18, 19, 20, no. So try for 20. 20 into 235. So yes, this is valid. So x square minus 20x minus 35 x is plus 750, x minus 20 minus 35 common, so x minus 20, therefore x minus 35 and x minus 20 is equals to 0. This becomes x is equals to 20 or x is equals to 35. This is our answer. Just you have to find the factors and then solve the equation. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Let one number be x. Write all the statements for your statement problems. Let one number be x. Therefore, other number becomes 27 minus x because their sum is 27 and the product, that means x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So, our equation becomes x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now, find the factors of 182. 2 into 91. 3 into 3, 9, 9, no, 3, it is not divisible by 3 because the sum is not divisible by 3. 4, no, 5, 6, no, 7, 7 to the 14, 7, 6 are 42. Then 13, 13 into 13 and 14. So, factors became minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is 0. So, x minus 13 minus 14 x minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 13 x minus 14 is 0. Therefore, x is equal to 13 or 14. So, if one number is 13, then the other number will be 14. And similarly, if one number we got 14, the other number will be 13. So, answer is 13 and 14. You can check their sum is 27 and product is 182 as I have shown you. Find two consecutive positive integers. So, if one number be x, the other number will be x plus 1 because these are consecutive numbers. Sum of whose squares? So, the squares and their sum is 365. So, solve their equation. 2x plus 1 is equal to, I have opened this by the identity a plus b whole square. So, 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is 0. Take 2 common over here. 182 is equal to 0. You can observe I have getting the same product minus 182. So, I will directly write the factors as 14 and 13x. So, our equation becomes x minus 13, x plus 14 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 13 or minus 14. See, next if x is equal to 13, then next number is x plus 1 is equal to 14. So, our answer is 13 and 14. And if our number is minus 14, so our next becomes minus 13. Minus 14 and minus 13 is also our answer. Next. The altitude of a right triangle, see a right triangle is there altitude, that means height, is 7 less than its base. So if base is x, 7 centimeter less, so it becomes x minus 7, and hypotenuse is 13. We already know by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square or altitude square. So 13 square is equals to x square plus x minus 7 whole square. 169 is equals to x square plus x square minus 14x plus 49. So your equation becomes 2x square minus 14x minus 120. Take 2 common here. So it becomes x square minus 7x minus 60 is 0. Now find the factors. 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4, 15, 5. So 5 and 12 will be the eligible factors. So it becomes x minus 12 plus 5x minus 12 is 0. Therefore x plus 5 and x minus 12 is equals to 0. X is equals to 12 or minus 5. Since a length cannot be negative, we will neglect this minus 5 and x is equals to 12 will become our answer. So our base is 12 centimeter and height becomes 12 minus 7 is 5 centimeter. This is our answer. Next. A cottage industry produces pottery articles in a day. Cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If we suppose let number of articles be produced on that day is x, so cost of production of each article becomes 3 more. More means plus twice the article, so 2x. But total cost is 90. So x into 2x plus 3 is equals to 90. If we multiply, so our equation becomes 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is 0. Now factorize this by factorization. Our product is minus 180. So find the factors. 2 into 90, 3 into 60, 4, 45, 5 into 36, 6 into 30, 7, no, 8, no, 9 into 20, 10 into 18, 11, no, 12 into 15. So yes, 12 and 15 are the factors. Plus 12 minus 12 and 15x minus 90, because sum was plus 3. 2x square minus 12x plus 15x minus 90 is 0. So 2x common, x minus 6. Here plus 15 is common, x minus 6. So x minus 6, 2x plus 15 is 0. Therefore our answer is x is equal to 6 or minus 15 by 2. Since number of articles cannot be negative, so our number of articles becomes 6 and cost of each article becomes 3 into 2 into 6, that means which is rupees 50. Thank you.